As Malaysia progresses towards developed nation status, each industry within the country dutifully contributes its fair share towards development. Among the front runners is the building industry. As we strive to achieve Vision 2020, Malaysia is experiencing a boom in the building and construction industry. Housing development projects are mushrooming all over the country to cater to the needs of Malaysians from every strata of society. Mega projects and a whole range of other development activities undertaken by both the government and private sector will spearhead the country's development. However, with the fast pace of development in the country, the construction industry has become highly dependent on foreign workers. The obvious solution to overcome the need for this conventional labor-intensive demand is to adopt an industrialized building system, a precast building system, whereby the precast component walls and beams can be produced in the factory, or alternatively, the molds of the precast system can be delivered to the project site for casting to reduce transportation costs. Under the Malaysian Incorporated concept and its accelerated privatization programs, HC Precast System Sendirian Berhad, together with their parent company, Hikon Sendirian Berhad, are playing their role by having developed and owned the proprietary HC Precast System. HC Precast System is designed to overcome the shortcomings of generic precast building system, as the vertical joint between the wall panels has a tendency to experience water leakage. The HC Precast System comprises of a series of precast wall panels which are generally designed as load-bearing wall system and interconnected with cast in-situ joints or columns. HC Precast System gives the generic plain face precast building facade an interesting feature, as various shapes can be created in the cast in-situ columns. The in-situ joints are reinforced in accordance to structural requirement, and they provide stability to the building whilst eliminating the possibility of water ingress. These joints can also act as columns to support load-bearing beams, and they allow a hybrid conventional and precast structural system to be achieved. HC Precast System offers unlimited flexibility in design, as it can suit the existing architectural layout. It provides high-quality finish and fast installation speed. HC Precast System is a very innovative and revolutionary precast system. HC Precast System provides easy standardization, speedier construction, cost-effectiveness and high quality to circumvent problems arising from conventional methods. The HC Precast System method comprises a series of precast wall panels which are generally designed as load-bearing wall system and interconnected with cast in-situ joints or columns. The external wall panels are designed with attractive features to suit any standardized or specific architectural and structural requirement. The length and size of the columns can also be adjusted accordingly. The precast wall panels allow flexibility of making certain openings such as windows or doors. Window or door frames can also be installed during the casting of wall panels. The column molds are designed to give the wall and column intersection an attractive architrave. By casting the in-situ columns, the wall and columns form an integral structure. The precast wall molds are made of mild steel plate with supporting steel members. Any feature on the external wall can be incorporated by installing specially designed pattern channels into the molds. The thickness of the precast wall panels can be varied depending on the structural requirement by changing the edge formwork. The size of the wall panels can be adjusted in terms of height and width by moving the edge formwork and extending or retracting the linear retractable clamps. The edge formworks are held firmly with levered clamping system to prevent any escape of cement grouting during casting. The wall panels are cast in specially designed molds. The edge of the precast wall panels is cast with a shear key joint. This shear key, coupled with starter bars, provides a very strong interlocking effect after the columns have been cast. The edge formworks on wall molds can be assembled and adjusted easily, as they do not involve any bolts and nuts. The controlling top and bottom edge formworks are positioned and tightened first, followed by the side edge formworks. The assembly of one panel mold takes 10 to 15 minutes. After the window or door frame is installed, mold oil is applied. The reinforcements are then placed. Next, electrical conduits or any openings required are installed. The concrete is then poured and properly vibrated. Prior to setting of concrete, the top surface is troweled to smooth finish.